Hello, I'm Christine Kim, and I took the SAT Summer Intensive course at EJ Prep during 2014 summer break. At first, I started out with about mid to high 600s on my writing section because I tended to use mostly my intuition and instinct more than actual grammar rules to apply to the questions that I got wrong. So at EJ Prep, we mostly focused on solving sets and sets of grammar questions to improve our grade to 800. And for grammar, we studied this book called The Gun Book, which stands for Grammar Uses and Mechanics. And this book is useful in a way that EJ teacher has collected several key points that he put into this book. So this book includes various idioms and types of nouns, verbs, punctuations, syntax, and so on. And after we were done with this book, we came to class every morning and then wrote solve grammar questions, one or two sets of grammar questions every time, and then we would grade them together as a class and look over the questions that we either got wrong or got right but probably guessed. So I think that helped me and everyone a lot on how to tackle difficult problems. And after we divided into classes, we would solve another whole mock test, which also included an extra grammar section. And one of the advantages of having extra grammar sessions was that we could ask more individual questions to the EJ teacher and that we weren't able to look over during the day. And to talk about our essays, we studied this essay book, and this book is equally useful in a way that it contains essays by not only EJ teacher himself, but also by past EJ Prep students. And this book also contains various complex sentences and tone words, and 4 special techniques called BW, VS, BS, and IS. So after we were finished with this book, we had to write our essays every morning, right before or after the grammar sections. And after we divided into classes, we would look at those essays together as a class and then evaluate and advise each other on how to improve our sentences and dictions to more sophisticated levels. So thanks to EJ's strategies and these 3 books that contain even the smallest details that we might think is trivial, I was able to get an 800 on my October SAT writing section. And for those of you who are worried about the 2015 SAT and what SAT Hagwon you should go to, I encourage you to come to EJ Prep because as long as your student has the desire and ambition to get a really high SAT grade, I can assure you that EJ teacher will definitely lead your child to the right way and then really let them get the highest scores as possible. Also, for those of you who are concerned about the 2016 new SAT, don't worry because I heard that 2016 new SAT essay is going to be more focused on the systems of AP language essays. But EJ teacher is actually an AP Lang teacher in America, so there's no need to worry. And also, the multiple choice questions in the 2016 SAT is kind of going to be like the SAT MCQs. So basically, because the SAT questions that are also included in the questions that we solve at EJ Prep, you don't need to worry about getting taught 2016 SAT at EJ Prep. So I encourage you. Thank you.